Imagine a computer that can factor the largest keys protecting your bank, email, and government secrets in minutes. That used to be science fiction. Today, quantum computers are accelerating, and by 2026 their influence on encryption will be impossible to ignore. In this video, we explain what's coming, who's at risk, and what you must do now to stay secure. Welcome back to Cybercrime Hub. Quantum computing sounds exotic, but its impact is brutally practical. It threatens the mathematical problems that underpin modern encryption. This is not a far-off hypothetical, it's an urgent engineering and policy challenge that organizations must confront today. What is quantum computing? Quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits that can hold multiple states simultaneously. Unlike classical bits that are 0 or 1, qubits exploit superposition and entanglement to process certain calculations exponentially faster. That advantage is specific. Quantum machines won't replace your laptop for everyday tasks, but they excel at particular problems, including factoring large numbers and searching unstructured data faster. Section 2. Why encryption matters today. Modern encryption secures banking, email, e-commerce, and critical infrastructure. Section 3. The quantum threat, Shor and Grover. The quantum algorithms are central to the threat landscape. Shor's algorithm can factor large integers and compute discrete logs exponentially faster, effectively breaking RSA and ECC. Once large, fault-tolerant quantum computers exist. Grover's algorithm speeds up brute force search, chopping the effective key strength of symmetric algorithms in half. AES 256 becomes roughly as strong as AES 1 to 8 against a quantum attacker. The key takeaway: public key cryptography is at highest risk. Symmetric keys need larger lengths. Section 4. Timeline and 2026 outlook. Where are we in 2026? Quantum hardware has advanced rapidly. Qubit counts and error correction research are improving, but fully fault-tolerant, large-scale quantum computers are still being engineered. Experts estimate a range for cryptographically relevant quantum computers. Some say several years away, others say a decade. However, the real danger is harvest now, decrypt later. Adversaries can capture encrypted traffic today and decrypt it later when they have a quantum machine. That means sensitive data with long confidentiality needs medical, state secrets, intellectual property is already at risk. Section 5. What governments and industry are doing. In response, standards bodies and governments are moving fast. The industry is transitioning toward post-quantum cryptography (PQC) classical algorithms designed to resist quantum attacks. Organizations like standards agencies have published candidate algorithms and begun standardization. Major cloud providers and security vendors offer migration guides and hybrid options to combine classical and quantum-resistant algorithms. Still, adoption is uneven. Updating certificates, protocols, and embedded devices at scale is a massive logistical challenge. Section 6. Practical steps for organizations' 2026 action plan. If you run IT or handle sensitive data, here's a practical 2026 action plan. 1. Inventory and classify data. Identify information that requires long-term confidentiality. Prioritize it for protection. 2. Assess crypto usage. Map where RSA, ECC, TLS, VPNs, SSH, and code signing keys are used. 3. Adopt hybrid cryptography. Where possible, deploy hybrid schemes combining classical algorithms with PQC candidates to get immediate quantum resistance plus fallbacks. 4. Upgrade key lengths for symmetric crypto. Move to AES 256 and increase hashing strengths to mitigate Grover's impact. 5. Patch and update protocols. Ensure TLS libraries and firmware support PQC transitions and are up to date. 6. Plan key rotation and PKI updates. Replace vulnerable keys and adopt automation to manage certificate life cycles. 7. Work with vendors and regulators. Pressure cloud providers, device manufacturers, and partners to publish quantum migration roadmaps. 8. Train teams and run exercises, simulate quantum decrypt scenarios, and update incident response plans. Section 7. What consumers should do. Individual users can also act now, use services from providers that publish their PQC roadmaps. Prefer end-to-end encrypted tools with transparent security approaches. Back up important data and prefer forward secure messaging apps. For ultra-sensitive personal records, consider additional offline encryption and secure storage. Section 8. Limitations and responsible perspective. Quantum risk is real, but it's not an immediate panic button for everyone. Building large-scale, error-corrected quantum computers is extremely hard and costly. The goal here is measured preparedness. Don't ignore the threat, but avoid fear-driven, expensive overhauls that fix hypothetical problems. Follow standards, prioritize high-value data, and apply practical migration steps. Section 9. The future, quantum-safe cryptography and quantum advantage. Looking ahead, we'll see 3 parallel developments: practical PQC adoption, hybrid classical quantum infrastructures, and quantum advantage for new applications, chemistry, optimization. The cryptography landscape will shift from secrecy based on hardness assumptions to a layered approach emphasizing resilience, diversity, and rapid updatability. Quantum computing will reshape encryption, not tomorrow for everyone, but certainly within the planning horizon of governments and businesses. If you manage data, start your quantum readiness plan now. If you're a user, pick providers that take quantum risk seriously. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future briefings on emerging cyber threats. Drop a comment. What data would you protect from future quantum decryption? I read every reply. Stay curious, stay prepared, stay protected.